Morning, children. Welcome back to literature class. Lesson 2, Lesson 3, a question on grammar. Till now, we have seen that William was in the grammar class, but his concentration was not there. He was thinking about the party which he was calculating in his mind regarding along with his friends and what to do, how to do, where to keep the friends. All these planning was going on inside his mind, and he was not at all paying attention in the class, and the teacher got very much annoyed. Let's see further how the story moves on. So, Miss Jones was quite touched. It's all right, William. I'm glad you are beginning to take an interest in your work. William was murmuring to himself, No, not, of course not. No, I did not. No, and not means yes. So he meant yes, of course. Yes, I did. Actually, by his himself, in his mind, he was telling, no, 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 no. I was not at all paying attention to the class. But for pleasing the ma'am, he told, yes, ma'am, yes, of course, yes, of course. तुम लोग भी कभी कभी ऐसा करते हो ना? हम्म, पढ़ने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है और जब टीचर पूछती है तब बोलते हो ना, हाँ हाँ पढ़ रहा हूँ मन से ध्यान से पढ़ रहा. So he is doing the same thing, huh? You will enjoy. Let's see. He waited till Friday before he gave his invitation with a casual air. Casual where? Normally, जैसे इंसान किसी को invite करता है उसी तरह से. My fox is going away tomorrow, and they said I could have a few friends in to tea. Can you come? Tell your mother. They said just to come and not bother to write. Tomorrow my house is going to be empty, so you people come tomorrow. We'll be together and we'll enjoy. Tell your mother. He was a born strategist, someone who is good in planning. In born planner he was. Not one of his friends' parents guessed the true state of affairs. None of the parents' guardians could guess what was the intention or what was the calculation of William regarding the party. When William's sense, conscience rose to reapproach him, he said to it firmly, strongly, deliberately, with anger or determination. He said, I could. Yes, of course. Yes, I did. Some said that definitely we will come. Some said definitely we will go. Some said, of course. He asked them all. He thought that while you are having a party, you might as well have a big one. So they also suggested him, okay, when you're throwing a party itself, then it should be a big party so that we all can go and enjoy it very nicely. They all accepted the invitation. They all were bouncing like monkeys and all. Oh, ho, ho, we are going to go to William's house and enjoy. We are free to do whatever we want, and nobody was there to scold us. William's mother took an anxious farewell of him on Saturday morning. No, don't mind being left, darling. Do you? No, mother, with a perfect truth. You won't do anything we have told you not to do, will you? No, mother, only things you have said. Yes, to. He was just a sweet boy. Na, mama. I'll not do anything which you have forbidden me to do. I will not do. Really. I'm such a nice boy. I'm not feeling bad. You people are going out. You just go. I'll manage. Okay? So, Cook and Jane had long looked forward for this day. There would be very little to do in the house, and as far as William was concerned, they hoped for the best. So, William was out all morning. At lunch, he was ominously quiet and polite. Jane decided to go out with her friends. Now, William was pretending to be a very nice and sweet boy, not in the mood of disturbing anyone. He was just the most obedient person all over the world. No one is as obedient as he. And so he was quiet like anything. He sat for the lunch without any single word from his mouth, and he kept on having his lunch nicely. So Jane got really very happy. She became very happy. Wow, William has changed a lot. He's become responsible. Okay. She went out with her friends. About 3 o'clock, the postman came and Cook went to the door for the letters. Cook means the person who is supposed to cook. Cook. Radhuni in one word, you can say. Then she stood gazing down the road as though transfixed. Suddenly at 3 o'clock, one postman came and gave a letter to the cook जो खाना बना रही है उसको लेटर दिया और अचानक उसकी नज़र गेट पर पड़ी एंड शी वाज मीन्स व्हाट शी वाज शॉक्ड आउट ऑफ हॉरर एंजाइटी डर के मारे वो हक्का बक्का रह गई अरे व्हाट इज दिस William had collected his guests en route. He was bringing them joyfully home with him. Wow! They tripped in all at the garden gate. Cook, pale and speechless, poor fellow, watched them, then as speechless departed. Cook was stunned. What the hell? Who are they? Why are they coming? No one is there at home. So many questions were arising in her mind, and she was. She was like that. What to do, what not to do. Completely confused, out of her mind. You are not coming here, she said fiercely. What have you brought all those boys cluttering up the garden for? She asked William. Have you called your friends? But why? What the hell are they doing in the garden? They have come to tea. ये लोग यहाँ पे चाय पीने आए हैं. That they have not. What your father did say. Uh-oh, you are not supposed to do this. What did your father told you? He said they could come. I asked him and he said, yes, of course. And I asked him, he would say so. And he said, yes, I did. So how many times I asked my father? He said, yes, of course. Yes, I did. Surely. So what does it mean? That means my friends are ready to come and they are allowed to come in my house. That's what he said, cause of English grammar and won't, Miss Jones said. Cook's answer was to slam the door in his face and lock it. The 30 guests were slightly disconcerted, but not for long. Come on, shouted William excitedly. She is the enemy. Let's storm her old castle. The guest spirits rose. This promised to be infinitely superior to the usual party. Poor fellow, the cook. She was standing on the door, looking fiercely to William. She told, did your father allow you to let your friends get inside the house? He told her, yes, of course. He has given me the permission. And for that, they are in. But she was really anxious about it. So he said that, oh, come on, guys. She's our enemy. Don't pour any interest to her. So, let's be inside the house. And she was only standing over there just to shut the door. They swarmed round to the back of the house. The enemy had bolted the back door and was fastened all the windows. Purple with worry, she shook her fist at William through the drawing room window. She was just trying to control everything. But everything was fake, vague. Nothing to be done. William brandished his piece of stick. एक डंडी को लेकर नाक के सामने ऐसे घुमाना. That is brandished. Reply. Brandished his piece of stick and blew his trumpet in defiant reply. William decided to climb up to the balcony outside Ethel's open bedroom window with the help of his noble band. The air was full of their defiant war whoops. All were bouncing and jumping and shouting and yippee! A big shouting was going on. And poor fellow Cook, she was looking fiercely, trying to stop, but had no option except accepting it. They filled the front garden, trampling on all the rose beds, trampling the freshly mowed lawn, cheering William as he swarmed up to the balcony, his trumpet between his lips. Oh, hey, he. Party. बच्चों की पार्टी मतलब तुम लोगों को पता ही चल रहा होगा. तो they were bouncing and dancing and jumping from here and there, and William was enjoying a lot. And cook was looking. What to do? I'm helpless. एक्सेप्ट करने के अलावा मेरे पास और कुछ नहीं है. She was the poor fellow who had nothing to do. So, this was how the party of William began. And the cook, now she was known that William's father did not allow him to do so, but she had to accept because no one was there to stop these guys out. So, till now, it's very good sounding. They are enjoying. Now, let's see what happens next, and that we will see in the next class. Okay, so just go through it. I know you all are very anxious to know what happened next, what happened next. Slow, 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 my dear. In the next part, I'll continue. Till then, stay healthy, go through the lesson, and be healthy, be happy. Bye bye.